art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw jacks from the Amazing Digital Circus. So first let's get started by drawing the right eye. So we're going to draw a curved line from left to right that arches up in the center. Leaving a small gap in the middle, we'll flip over to the left-hand side, replicating that as we curve this over and out. In the corner now, we're going to arch this line all the way up towards the top and then bringing that back down on the right-hand side. And now flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Inside now, on the inner portion, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. And we'll do the same thing, just flipping that on the left-hand side. As we move towards the outer line now, we're going to curve this around and then back in. And we'll replicate that on the left-hand side as well. For the mouth now, underneath, we're going to draw an arch line from left to right, arching that down in the center. And now to connect this, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this all the way around and then bringing it back up on the right-hand side. We'll draw a straight line that comes down in the center. To the right of this, we'll replicate that. And now flipping over to the left, we'll do the same thing. And now one more time, we're going to draw a straight line as we come down. And again, replicating that on the left-hand side. Let's draw in the face now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way across and in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to arch this all the way across and then back down on the side. On the left-hand side now, let's curve this line around and then in underneath the chin. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this back around and then in towards the bottom. For the ears now, on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line across and then over towards the right-hand side. And then lining this up at the same height on the left, we're going to replicate that, curving this up and then back out. Starting on that outside line again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And we'll do this on the left-hand side as well. And now from this line, we're going to continue to curve this around and then down towards the top of the face. For the arms now, in the corner, we're going to curve this line out and then in for the elbow. And now flipping over towards the right-hand side, we'll replicate that. Moving further in towards the inside now for the torso, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side, ending that at the same height. Closing off the arms now, on the inside, we're going to bring this line out and then in. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here, we're going to start where that elbow bends there and bring a diagonal line that comes down. And we'll do this on both sides, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the side. Moving in towards the middle now, we're going to draw an arch line in the center where our legs are going to go. And then in the middle, we're going to draw a straight line that comes directly down. To the right of this, we're going to draw a diagonal line that arches out. And we'll do the same thing on the left. For our wrists now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the side. And then moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. For our hand now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in towards that wrist. And we'll do this on both sides. On the outside line now, we're going to curve this all the way around and then back in. And again, we'll replicate that on the left. Moving down one more time, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Closing off the feet now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in towards the middle. And then flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On this inside line now for the foot, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And we'll do this on both sides. Let's move out towards the middle now, replicating that again. And then one last time, we're going to curve this out towards the side, bringing that back up. Moving up again, we're going to curve this line out and across. And we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. Let's draw the rest of the overalls now. So on the outside line here, we're going to curve this line across and then out. And then coming over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On the inside now, we're going to draw two straight lines that come down on either side. And then we'll draw a straight line from left to right connecting that. Let's draw a small circle for the button on the right-hand side. And then moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. For the pocket now, we're going to draw an arch line in the center from left to right. Let's draw a curved line that arches down on either side. And then now from here, we're going to connect this with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.